parking laddie. Finden Sie zumindest her.
Woo!
The cat
The cat
is fighting
in
the
his
DS
national
Charger.
territory.
He has left his
His
viewing
bed.
spot.
Yeah.
What a tough battle.
This is like vlogs.
This is the new Pokemon battle. Pokemon Cat 2016 limited edition.
It's dumb because it makes sense.
$1 each.
Woo! Woo!
Only 2 copies of the game will be made. So quickly head to the stores before they're all sold out.
Or head online.
And there will be free hacked Pokemon in the game. So you can hack all the people. Oh wait, no, he's by that thing. Oh no, he's back over there to the charger.
Woo!
Here's my DS.
Joseph!
Hey, look, it's Finn and Dot!
It's Finn.
It's Finn and I'm Dot. Because I'm a Dot.
No, my little sister's a Dot.
Oh, yeah.
Sunny,
Oh,
no!
Now it's by my shoelaces. Shoelaces! Come and get the shoelaces!
Sunny,
Shoelaces.
look!
Oh, no, he's fleeing.
He's fleeing in terror.
He's running. He's running. He's running.
And now we enter the area of the snowball. She's the youngest cat. Ow.
Why do you have to say it to all the
Sunny's
fans?
coming. Snowball better
And
act
look, it's
fast.
Godzilla over there. Dead
Godzilla.
Godzilla right there. Oh, Zozo the demon! The demon's here! Run! Run!
Gosh. Sorry. And shut up. We're done.
Ah!